Today we'll be learning about the parts of a circle. So please copy down the standard benchmark indicator on the top of a clean page in your math notebook. The student will identify and describe the diameter, radius, chord, and circumference of a circle. You can pause the video here to give yourself more time to write down the SBI. The definitions you need to know for a part of a circle are as follows. The chord. It is a line segment that has its endpoints on a circle, shown by ED in the picture to your left. The diameter is a line segment or chord that passes through the center of the circle, shown with line segment FC. The radius is a line segment with one endpoint on the circle and the other on the center point. It is half the length of the diameter, and it's shown by AB. You can also see it as AF or AC. The circumference is the distance around the outside of a circle. The parts of a circle are described again in the chart below. The center is the point in the middle from which all the other points of the circle are the same distance. So in this example, the center is M. And then you have another example for chord, diameter, and radius. Use figure A for exercises 1 to 4. Find and name the circle and its parts. The center is point C. The diameter is shown by the line segment DE. You can also write it ED if the order of the letters does not matter. However, it does need above it a straight line across there because it is a line segment. Then it asks us to write down the 3 radii. That's the plural for radius. So we have the first one is DC. The second one is CF. And the third one is CE. As a radius, they all have to involve the center points. They all have C. They also all need a little line above them because, again, they are line segments. For 4, it asks us to write down 2 chords. So the first one is on the left there, AB. And then the second one is the diameter. The diameter is just a special type of chord, meaning it goes through the center of the circle when it goes from side to side. So in this case, it's DE again. Use figure B for exercises 5 to 10. So here they're asking us to identify what each of these line segments are. Are they a diameter, a radius, or just a chord? So the first one we look at is what is SN. S and N are both points in the circle, and the line between them crosses through P, making it a diameter. Number 6, what is PQ? P is our center point and Q is on the circle, so the 2 points connect together to form a radius. Number 7, what is MN? M and N are both points on the circle, but the line segment connecting them does not pass through P, which is our center, so this one is just a chord. Number 8, what is PS? P is our center point, S is on the circle, so the line segment is a radius. For number 9, what is MR? M and R are both points on the circle. The line segment connecting them passes through P, our center, so that is a diameter. Number 10, what is PN? P is our center point, N is on the circle, so that line segment is a radius. Use figure C for exercises 11 to 15, where line segment HG measures 3 inches. 11, what is the measure of GI? Well, first they give us HG is 3 inches, so we know the radius is always going to be 3 inches. So GI is also a radius, so that's also 3 inches. Then how long is the diameter? We know the diameter is twice as long as the radius. So if the radius is 3 inches, the diameter is 6. Then it asks us to name intersecting line segments. So we know we have line segment JK, and it's crossing line segment HI. Finally, name two chords. We know JK is a chord because both points are on the outside of the circle. And our other chord is HI, because in this case, H and I are both on the outsides of the circle. It just happens to pass through the center of the circle. After you've finished writing everything down, please glue this paper in your math notebook.